The 2018 Nissan Murano goes on sale today with new standard features and revised package content starting at $31,780, up $780 from the 2017.5 Murano's starting price. The 2018 Nissan Murano adds automatic emergency braking and forward collision warning as standard on all trim levels. All Muranos also receive a new center console design that's said to provide easier access to storage and an 8.0-inch Nissan Connect touchscreen system with navigation and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility as standard. Blind spot warning and rear cross-traffic alert is now standard on the SV trim, which starts at $34,825, or $880 more than last year's model. The SL trim, which starts at $39,225, increases by $950 but now gets a hands-free power liftgate and adaptive cruise control as standard. The range-topping Platinum trim gets all of the same features as the SL but also comes with 20-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, heated and cooled front seats, and more. For 2018, a dual-panel moonroof is standard and pricing for the Platinum shoots up $2,370 to $42,955. The Murano is still powered by a 3.5-liter V6 making 260 horsepower and 240 pounds-to-feet of torque. This engine is mated to Xtronic CVT. All-wheel drive continues to be a $1,600 option on all trim levels. Adaptive cruise control can now be had on the SV trim through the SV Premium package, which also includes Nissan's Surround View Monitor, Drowsy Driver Alert System, an 11-speaker Bose stereo system, heated front seats, a power panoramic moonroof, and 18-inch gunmetal alloy wheels for $2,790. SL trim shoppers can now opt for a brighter cabin with the new $1,420 SL moonroof package. Finally, Nissan says the Midnight Edition package for SL models, which costs $1,395, includes more content for 2018. As we previously reported, certain Murano functions such as remote start, locking and unlocking doors, and honking the horn can be performed via an Alexa skill on the Amazon Echo.